What's up, guys? My Tech Tactical. Thanks for stopping by the channel. And like you watched on my last video, I just unboxed the Motorola Moto G7 Power, and today I'm actually going to go ahead and do a second video of my new device for a case for my new device, which is a Zizo Bolt Series case. It comes with a tempered glass, which is included. It has a 12-foot drop protection, lifetime warranty again, and also the best part about it is designed for the Moto G7 Supra and the Power. Now, if I go to the back of the box, it has a lifetime warranty. Like I said, it comes with a holster, comes with a tempered glass, an integrated kickstand, and I'm just gonna get right to it. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. So as you can see, nice white boxing, nice embossed Bolt series of the Zizo brand for the Moto G7 Power. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here. So you gotta apologize because I'm using natural light and doing everything behind the camera. So we're going to go ahead and take that out. So there goes the case itself. Let's go see what's inside. Nothing really. Ooh, there's a little. I didn't even know that. There's a lanyard here. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see that. Nice lanyard from Zizo. Toss that to the side. Okay. So here's your holster. It does rotate 360 degrees, which is pretty nice. All right, so it's in black. There goes your kickstand right there. I can't get that open right now, but let's go ahead and get this open. So very, very nice. You have some reading material here. So I guess this is for your warranty, I believe. So yeah, warranty information. All right, so there goes a QR code right there. So you can pause and read this for yourself. All right, put that to the side. So what do we got here? Looks like we got a tempered glass here. Ooh, it's kind of tight in there. So be careful, guys, when you take this out, because it's not like it's on the top of the case. It's inside of the case. Take it out nice and carefully. All right. So let's see what the contents are inside. Okay, so it has a tempered glass, has the black borders around, so it's going to be nice and easy to line up. I think that's a pretty thick tempered glass right there. All right, so we put that to the side. Other side, we got some other stuff inside here. So I guess this has the instructions and everything. So it's clean, peel, all right, and apply and wipe. So it has everything inside. Looks like you have your dust stickers to take off some dust off the screen. Put that to the side. We want to see the case, right? So this is the Zizo brand Bolt series case. These cases are one of my favorite cases to have for any device. I actually had it on my Note 9. I had it on an iPhone XS Max. My wife has one on hers. So as you can tell, I like Bolt. I like the Bolt series, and I like Zizo branding. So you have some little fake me out rivets here. All right, I guess for stability. You got your kickstand here. I know in the beginning the kickstand is really stiff in the beginning, and you have your cutout here for your camera, nice and recessed there. And the sides, man, are really nice and thick, as far as it, you know, being probably having some lay on the table design. All right, so let's go ahead and put the phone in it. All right, yep, here we go. Put the phone in here. Ooh, snaps right in. And you can see there how recessed that camera is, which is really nice. So you have a nice placement here for your fingerprint. All right, now the buttons are okay. All right, it's not a deal breaker right now, but I'm pretty sure once I work it out, it'll be much better. All right, but it has a nice weight to it. Okay, nice. Like I said, nice lay on the table design here. Has your cutout for your charger. Has a cutout for the microphone. Has a cutout for your lanyard, if what you want to put down there, and also has a little bit of the Zizo. I guess it's the Zizo branding. I'm not sure. It is a Zizo branding. Yes. That is a Zizo branding right there. As we go along the top, you have your cutout for your another microphone. You have your cutout for your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Okay. and again your power button and your volume down and up keys. Overall, really nice case. I really like this. The feel is really nice. I wouldn't say it's rubberized, and I wouldn't say it's matte, but it's just nice feeling case. A nice polycarbonate shell case, dual layer, and also you have your third layer right here, you know, with this holster. So you put the holster on, man, that's beefy, nice and protective. I mean, this thing that's not going nowhere. Nope, ain't going nowhere. So that's it, guys. That's the case. I mean, I really like this case. Nice laying this tabled feature right here. I'm pretty sure once I put the tempered glass, it will be even more protected. So again, guys, this is My Tech Tactical. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be having some more content on the Moto G7 Power from Motorola. I really do like this device. I'm actually scaling down. Like I said, I've had some flagship devices, and I'm actually going to scale down and see what's the budget device all about. You know, the budget device has its own entity, and I'll be doing some more vids. Again, guys, My Tech Tactical. Have a good one.